So hello everybody, welcome to my brand new video. In this video I'm gonna show that how to send Snapchat public profile link to your friends. So guys, what you have to do if you are new in my video, so first of all you subscribe my YouTube channel and also like, comment in my video. So let's start our video without wasting our time. So guys, first of all what you have to do is scroll down, open your Snapchat, and after you scroll down, and here you can see your public profile. You are showing my public profile here. Click on this, and after doing this, this interface here you can see. And what you have to do again, you can see the option of preview. So guys, what you have to do, you click on this preview option, and the preview is showing here in this interface. So guys, what you have to do again, you see here the upper right corner three dots. So guys, what you have to do, you click on these three dots, and here you can see the fifth option, send profile to. So guys, click on this send profile to, and what you have to do again, you can see your friend list are showing here. So click one by one, 1 2 3 4 5. So when you select all these your friends in which you send you a link to follow. So guys, after doing, you select the next option is share. So click on this share option, so your request sent to your friend. So guys, if my video is informative for you, so please subscribe my YouTube channel, and also like, comment, and also leave comment in my video.